Alright, hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Yes.
If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, and we are the
Andrew Squad!
If you didn't know. Today we are coming to you with one of our favorite type of videos. If you know, you know.
We got a package from Target and we don't know what it is. She knows.
Yeah, so we got a package from Target.
And it's a surprise for us. The big box is ours.
Yeah, so let's get right into opening this package from Target because that's what this video is about.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of excited about this package too because I saw, they might not know her real name, Miranda, and her son do this. So I'm like, we have to do this. So her name is Colleen Ballinger or Bollinger or something like that, but they know her as Miranda Sings. So I saw her and her son do this on YouTube and I'm like, we have to do it. So let's open this package up.
Yes. So, my package!
Alright, so
package!
alright, so here's the package from Target, and this is just something else that I got from Target, something extra so I can get free shipping.
This for you.
No, nothing in this box is for me. Everything is for you guys. So I ordered a little bit of extra stuff so I can get free shipping. So I know all you mommies out there understand how it is to get free shipping.
So awesome. You could use your nails and open it.
Yeah, that's the best thing about Target packaging because they do like the...
What is this?
Alright.
Oh my god.
So,
is this a butterfly?
so
Hey,
we got... So I ordered the wildlife habitat. Let you guys see it.
Is that weird? Is there
So we are going to, yes, we're going to watch butterflies, caterpillars, I'm sorry. We're going to watch caterpillars transform into butterflies.
They're real life.
They're going to be real life butterflies and then we can set them back into nature once they bloom. So,
how long would they?
how long does it take? I don't know. We have to read the instructions and do this correctly because we never read the instructions all the way, so we have to do this right.
Also on the Barbie ones, remember on the
Yes.
Barbie video, we didn't
We didn't read the instructions. So we're gonna open this up and
Ew, I don't want to touch the caterpillar.
we're about to what's the word I want to say?
Open it.
We're about to birth some butterflies. So
Like
this
mommy
is gonna be
did to Kristen. Your birth. I am silly.
Alright, so
You have to.
alright guys, so let's open it up
I
and
am scared.
why are you scared? And see how this works out.
Yeah, I want to see the butterfly.
Alright, let's open this up.
What happened if I touch him?
Hold on.
Oh,
Alright, so stage 1, egg. So the butterfly begins as a tiny egg. So
Okay,
we're going to
where's
just
the
get egg. Stage 2, larva. The caterpillar is going to turn into a caterpillar. This is not the instructions. This is just the steps of the butterfly becoming an adult. This is not the instruction, guys. Instructions.
Yeah.
Instructions are here. Okay. Okay. These are the instructions. This is just too much. I hate reading instructions.
Come on, Max. Where are you?
Kyler.
I just want to see the eggs. Let's see the birds. I mean butterflies. Why did I say birds?
Okay, 1. Attach the vertical frame pieces to the frame ring. Alright, so
I think it's...
no, I don't think it's that. These are, it said it's, y'all, guys, let me tell y'all.
We never did this before.
I hate putting stuff together.
Daddy, Mommy is only a foundational at Barbie stuff.
And I messed up that as well, so I don't know. All right, frame ring. Let's see. Frame ring. What's the frame ring? Maybe it's this. Okay, let's see. What are you scared of? Okay, we got one piece in. So it looks like it's easy, just snap it in. All right, this last one is like kind of tough.
You got this. You got
There you go.
Yay!
All right, so we got it.
For me.
So next, it is telling us to, hold on, number 4. Assemble the sponge pad onto the base by inserting it into the pond area, turning clockwise. Okay, so I assume that this is the pond area. This is the sponge pad.
Because it got a sponge on it. Right?
All right.
Yeah.
There you go.
And I think, yeah, we have to put this on here.
Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Okay. Drape the decorative vine on the hooks located inside the frame. And then it say add the netting. Here's the net right here.
You have to put it on here for the butterflies to not escape. Yeah, I'm gonna help. You have to get it all the way on. Because when you get it on the bottom, when you leave it like this, they could escape real easy. Real easy. Okay. We got this. We got this.
We got a hole in it. Hey, look, you got a hole in it.
But that's not how the picture looks.
Alright, hey guys, so we got the butterfly tent all put together. We did put some little holes in it while putting it together, but I don't think that's going to matter once the butterflies do form because we have to put the caterpillars in here. Small disclaimer, if you ever order this kit, the butterflies, the caterpillars do not come with the kit. You have to order them separately from a different site, and it take 2 to 5 weeks, I think, for it to come. So we're gonna see you guys in about 2 weeks to actually put the caterpillars in there, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm all for this experience with the girls. I really enjoyed the vlog that she's gonna be Miranda to me. I can call her Kylie. That Miranda did with Flynn. I think that's her son name. That's not her son name. I don't know. So I really enjoyed Miranda's vlog with her son. It was like the cutest thing ever. And when we went to the zoo, we didn't get to see the butterflies, and it was just like a whole disappointment with that part because the line was like so long to get into the butterfly exhibit. So that's another reason why I decided to get this, so we can have that own experience for ourselves. And then we're not in school, so it's like a science STEM type of, this is a STEM experiment, so something for us to do at the end of the year, because it is coming to close to our homeschooling, because I have been homeschooling both of the girls this year because of COVID. So I'm not gonna keep rambling. We're going to see you guys in about 2 weeks once our caterpillars arrive. It's such a bummer that the caterpillars was not included with the kit, but I totally get it. They had to come from somewhere else. I guess Target don't sell caterpillars. So see you guys in 2 weeks. So we ordered the caterpillars and everything. They'll be here, and then we'll be able to get this process going. I'm like so excited about it. I was so excited to share this with the girls.